page 26. Sino kasama mo ngayon? Ilocano ka? Ophelia Fernandez. Page 26. Sino kasama mo? Ilocano ka? Sumagot siya. Lakasan mo. Nandito ang mga nilungina.
Dito po niyo.
Barangay Captain Gualberto Bautista, Municipal Treasurer Demetria Dupita, Mr. Leo de la Cruz, Mrs. Macrina Islam, Mr. Romeo Balungkod, Mrs. Lucena Bachar, Mr. Jaime Vigilla, Barbara Fernandez. Si Barbara. Saan ito? May Christmas ko mo. May hat. Tumayaw ay kakasal. Albert and Ophelia. You are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before me, a solemnizing of it. With faith in God and in each other, you will pledge your love today until death separates you. May your life always be witness for the reality of your love, and may your relationship find favor in the eyes of God and of men. May I now ask you to answer truthfully the following questions. Did you both come here of your own free will to bind yourselves forever in the love and service of one another? Parito ba kayo magpakasal ng bukal sa Diyos at Oman? Are you both ready to raise as good Christians and good citizens the children whom God will give you? Nakanda ba kayong palakihin ang inyong magiging mga anak na ipagkakaloob ng poong mental? Now that you wish to contract marriage, please join your right hand and express your intentions before me and the whole world. Maghawak kanan kamay. Albert, do you take Ophelia here present as your lawful wife according to this right prescribed by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines? Tinatanggap mo ba siyang maging asawa? Ophelia, do you take Albert here present as your lawful husband according to this right prescribed by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines? Tinatanggap mo ba siyang maging kabiyak ng iyong puso? Sundan ninyo ako ngayon. I take you to have and to hold, to love and cherish, to be one heart and one soul. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness or in health, until death do us part. I call all those here present as witnesses, especially the sponsors, and anyone here who knows of any legal impediment to this marriage to declare so. Otherwise, you should forever hold your peace. May tumututol ba sa inyo sa kasalang ito? The ring symbolizes your mutual love and unbroken loyalty. The array symbolizes the sufficiency of material possessions, so you may use them to attain extended life. So, Ophelia, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. Albert, isuot mo ang singsing na ito na tanda ng aking pagmamahal. Bigay mong aral. Diyos kaya, na kayo tisilaw, amaranyag, kada kami. Ipakita yung tilalang, tipudno, dan tibiyang. Ayayakan na kami, ureno di kami, natulnog, anak yun. Aramitan na kami, anan-anay. Pakal, iti spirito. Wala po. Rambasan may tibiyag, kapo, tata kayo, tata kami. Kat babal, iti na ito'y napasnan, apalagkin na rin. Dayawan, ganitanok na ko. Itinagan, ni Apo Isus. Amen. Patalgada, dayat ko ka. Iti sangwanan, ni Apo Diyos, na iti dayton, nadayaw, agimo. Awatan ka, kasasawa, manipod ka, agpapan, masakbayan. At tultuloya, akadwa, kenggaya, makibinulay, ken makikaisa, lunggag, ken mawagbaga, magpabilag, ken mangitag-aikin ka, makipagpasyatak man, amang parangay, katagiti, saksagot, ngayon talag, ni Apo Isus kinka, iti kasta, kuyog ta, nagserbi, ni Apo Diyos, ti Iglesia, dan ti komunidad, na ito'y pinaypuswan akari. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud, it is not rude. It is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrong. Love does delight in evil, but rejoices in the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always kind, always perseveres, and that is love. Now that you are truly husband and wife, in the sight of God and His people, go in peace to love and serve the Lord, and radiate His kindness at all times. Kindness is the oil that takes the friction out of life. And I therefore, by virtue of the authority vested in me as mayor, particularly by the family code of the Philippines, do hereby confirm the bond of marriage which you have just contracted. And now pronounce you husband and wife in the eyes of the law and of men. I hereby declare that let no man put asunder what God and law have put together. Love and respect one another as you love and respect yourselves and your families. The ceremony is ended. Let's please welcome the new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Albert Mislan. The groom may now kiss the bride. Halika mo, Mrs. Sumupo kayo. Kailan mo ito i-release? Pwede na po yun. Huwag mo na pagbayarin namin mga sila. Opo, regalo. Kapatid ni Bidye. Yo. Pabasa mo. Basa nyo sumimba. Dapat kumade, bikang man, kalidin mo. Yan mo. Mamatay.